Let's take a moment to review site navigation and what to expect when you're migrating from the old UVM WordPress theme to the new. Here is an existing site using the older WordPress theme, and if you remember, the menu is launched by a menu button and slides out on the left, and there's drop downs. This is the classic menu, and unfortunately, WordPress has changed how menus are created. They are no longer using the classic menu system, and they've switched to a block-based approach. This means, unfortunately, that your menu will not automatically come over and will need to be rebuilt. I know it's a drag, but it's not that big a deal, really. I'm going to show you how to recreate your navigation in the new WordPress, but this is really important. Make sure that you start with a screen grab of your existing navigation so that you have a record of something to work from. On Macintosh, you bring up your navigation and it's Command-Shift-4, box off that area to make a screen grab. And on Windows, it's the print screen button on your keyboard. This is how you have always done your menu in WordPress. You have a list of pages on your site on the left. You click on something to add to the menu. You add it to the menu. It shows up at the bottom, and then you drag it where you want, save, and you have it. Okay, that is not how this is going to happen now. Let me change back. I'm going to change back to the theme. Switch to the new Catamount theme. I'm going to show you what happens. View the site, click on the hamburger icon, and the navigation is not there. Okay, expected that. It's unfortunate. Let's make a new menu together. Okay, so go into your dashboard of your site, navigate to Appearance Editor, Patterns, pick your header. The navigation is attached now to the header. Click on the header. And mine's a little different. I believe that you're going to see a white box here that says your navigation's missing. And it will give you the option to make a new navigation menu. So click yes. Make sure you click yes. It will show up here on the right. It will be called Menu by default. I am going to slide this over because this is the most important part of this entire tutorial. Make sure you have made a screen grab of your old site navigation so that you can work like this. Old site navigation on the left, new is on the right. We're just going to use it as a reference. Click the plus button here and type in the first thing on our navigation. So Vermont Climate Assessment. I have a typo, annoying. There. It shows up, you click on it, add it. I'm going to go right to the parent executive summary. There that is. Click that page. I want to show you how to make a child so that you get this parent-child relationship here. So type in the first one, climate change in Vermont. And then to make the child, you just grab it, hover over the parent, and it indents it. It's really easy. Now I went ahead and created this menu already, so I'm going to select that. All of those pages are now reflected in the nav and save it. And let's see what that looks like. View site under the hamburger. So there we go. So it really wasn't so hard to do. It doesn't even take a long time. And the good news is that it is a one-step process when moving to the new WordPress system. You're not going to have to do this twice. If you need help with it, check into help hours and I'll help you build your navigation.